Slovenia with possession. Three goes up. It's good to go. Slovenia start with a bang. Blacks it. Doncic. One-on-one, the pump fake. Lets off the shot anyway. Defender didn't bite. Dino Doncic. Popovic. Pull up for the triple. It's good to go. Petar Popovic for three. Doncic, Morgan going to work again. Dimes. Perry, bounce pass, drive, easy finish now. Popovic opposite side of the floor. Pull up, long two. That's it. His 4th point of the game. Perry inside with Vucevic. Looks to find a teammate trailing to the rack. And that's money for... The first is good for Vucevic. Good to go for the NBA big man. Take him. The amount of stats he puts up. Foul is called and one. And Doncic makes that happen. Rising for the triple. Fight for the rebound inside, underneath the rack. It's good to go. And a reply immediately. One of the leading scorers. Doncic makes the first. Shot is way off, but Doncic, offensive rebound, and one play again. Luka Magic staring at me here. They just got to deal with this man. Luka Doncic is. Zaragoza. Well, of course, he started Budukna's volley. Some spells with the City Bulls and Chicago. What a pass from Luka Doncic! Laser vision. His stats are already racking up. An immediate reply from Montenegro. He wants one-on-one here. Steps back for three. Oh, money! Ice cold, Ivanovic! Don't do him like that. Ivanovic on the line. Makes the second. But if you don't want to miss all of the World Cup's action, make sure you purchase the World Cup bundle. There's a nice runner to the rack there. Vladimir Mohammed. Yeah, no, Toby got his hands to it. That's why he's on the line. Foul called again, and an easy and one play. It's an easy 2 points for Ziga Dimic. Make that. Screen comes up from Dimic. Oh, Luka! In Ljubljana. Montenegro now trailing by. Shot goes up, knocked down, click. Destroy the defender. Now one-on-one. Hands it off. Behind the back, Mihailovic lays it up. Push it forward. Morgan, bounce pass, layup, and that stops the bleeding. Does eventually get it. Now he's double teamed. Got to find the extra man. And from deep, Ivanovic. Oh my goodness. Morgan all alone. Showtime. Two hands. Blasic. Easy money for Ranovic, and he'll head to the break. Prevelic. Two for two for Mihailovic. And, you know, teams aren't necessarily giving it at all as Luka Doncic goes up there and it's tipped back in. forward. Tries to find Vucevic inside, but Perry claims the offensive. Oh, stopping on the dime. Throw that. Strings. Doncic to the corner. 3 ball. Goes up. It's money. Vucevic. No look. Skip to the corner. Driving on the baseline. Tough play. And one great finish. But fine margins as Doncic completes the 3-point play. Doncic. And one. It's so easy for him. He's taking Montenegro roster. Checking in live here on Courtside 1891. Oh, big jam down the other side of the floor. The camera's almost missed it. Makes the final. Chopping it up. Finding some room for the step back 3. You can't give him that. They got away lucky there, but Mike Tote. Tie laces. I think he was looking for the foul again, and an easy pass inside and an easy finish from Montenegro. Ivanovic moves the ball well, and that's a bank 3. Oh, on the buzzer, nearly there it goes, the buzzer. Luka Doncic. Get over in that very moment. Perry kicks it, left-hand side, 3 rattles in. Come on, Perry. He finds a beautiful pass along the baseline, falling. Strong drive, but once again way off target. And Vucevic not having a great scoring night. Vucevic, as you can see there, 1 for 5 from 2-point territory. Another kick to the corner, and the 3's good this time. Inside Morgan. He goes to the left hand, and connection is going to be vital for this Slovenian team. Nice pass from Perry again. Driving baseline, and 1. Shotgun. Nice pass across there. Prepelic again for 3. Beat it. Morgan sets the down screen. Oh, wow. Turning the corner off. Doncic off the dribble. Inside hand finish off the glass. Corner 3, it's money. He's got a step back in him. Pump fake. Can he make it this time? No, he can't. He gets his own rebound, though, and the finish is good. So that will be a free throw. Possession will go back. Of course. Now Slovenia on the fast break. 3v2 situation. Luka Doncic just goes by himself. And an interception now. On the drive, lays it in with his left, it's good to go. Bounce pass to Luka, beautiful bounce pass. Again, this is sloppy from Montenegro. Doncic with another assist to his name as he gets the... Can Montenegro respond? That's great ball movement to find the open 3. Back to basket. Skipped across again. It's money again. Here's the second. Needs to get his chest central to the player for him to get away. Montenegro, good on. Remember, purchase the World Cup bundle to see more basketball this summer. 92 World Cup games as the 3 goes up. It's good to go again. Pick roll action, looking baseline, and there's the two-handed flush. Ball to his name. Triple-double watch. Fans out there. Can add Doncic to the list as the 3 goes up. Rip through, drive, nice pass to Radoncic, who finishes in the rotation. Vucevic, feet set, Radoncic inside, great ball. But they are under 50% from two-point territory. There's another three, it will go this time. Perry. Vucevic. He'll knock down a three in response. Three-point game. Doncic. Oh, D-Metch goes to the screen. Vucevic comes up with a rebound. Perry calling for the ball because there's that man again. Ball into play. Screen high up in the corner of the half court. Three is dropped in. And finally, he sees the ball. Mihailovic on the line. From downtown in this game. It's two. Doncic, step back, money to get the long two. Doncic one-on-one with Perry, double teamed, kicks it out. Ball rotation, three ball. It's money now for Slovenia once again. They're pulling away. Is the player that can't finish it off as Perry gets through. Spin to the rack for Vucevic. Out for the three. Mihailovic again. On fire from behind the arc he is. Doncic. He's going to reply. Yes, he'll reply just like that. Vucevic on the clock. Three-point game. Ball inside. Vucevic, he wants to have a go at Doncic, and there's the response. Needs to make these. First is good. And he does get it right. Let's see how... First is good. To make it really tough for Montenegro. And just about will win again.